Have you ever been just riding your skateboard and out of nowhere, some random guy you've never met before says, "Do a kickflip," and you frantically reply with, "I wish," because you literally can't do any tricks?
Well, that happened to me. True story. And that is why I'm gonna land a kickflip, no matter what it takes. So that next time someone says, "Do a kickflip," I just pause.
For those of you who don't know what a kickflip is, basically it's a pop, flick, and a land. And in case you couldn't tell, that is not what I did, which is why I'm
here at the skate park.
I came here at like 9 or 10 a.m. so that there's no one here to judge me. Yeah.
Good thing no one else saw that. I think it's time to warm up. I lied. This video's title should have been, I tried doing a kickflip with some experience, but I still suck. I can do an ollie. That's literally it. That was not an ollie. Here's Tony Hawk. Here's someone with no experience. I'm like right here, okay? Right there.
Yo, editing Luke just popping in real quick. Can I just say the audacity of this man is off the charts? What am I thinking, putting myself up there? I am not that good at skateboarding. If anything, I'm like way down here, like way down there. Yeah, back to the video, I guess.
Here's my plan. I'm gonna do a kickflip on grass, and then I'll do one on pavement. Yeah, that's literally the plan. So I'm gonna go start trying to do it on grass. No idea what I'm doing. Hopefully I can just land one. Yo, been a few hours and I'm in this field. I watched some videos on how to skateboard and I met my true love. Call me a liar. Call me a liar. I do it. His name is Aaron Cairo and he's a
sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today I'm going to teach you how to kickflip. I'm going to tell you one of the absolute secrets. If you're watching this video and you've never landed a kickflip, leave it in the comments below. Go out, land a kickflip, and then leave it in the comments below.
So I did. Go try to find the comment. We'll see if I say another comment that I landed it. Say another comment. All right, now I'm going to try some kickflips and I'm going to show you the secret. My guy, what's his name again? Aaron told me. Okay, so basically the hack, so you got your foot on the back, right? Then you put your other leg up here. You basically just like do this over and over just to get the flick.
Put your front foot there and drag it. This is how you're gonna learn it fast. It's all muscle memory.
This is really boring. Yup, still can't do one. Am I too low? Can you see me? All right, day 2, new field, new me. No more of this weird flicking. I don't know, I've done enough of that. So hopefully I've got the flick, but I have a new strategy I wanna try. I think when I do a kickflip, see that? See what, like, I'm just like, I do one and I like try to get away from the board. I'm like really scared to land on it. So I'm gonna like grab this pole and I'm gonna try them, but like when I'm holding on to something, so hopefully I won't be as scared. Maybe I land one like this and then I just land one normally on the field. Yo, I just landed on one foot. Dude, what? Hold on, let me try that again. Is that legit? Mosquitoes. This is probably the most non-skateboarder way to do a kickflip, but I feel like I'm making progress. So I'm just gonna try in the field, I guess, for now. This is my first try after landing one while holding on to something on grass. Ah, what? Why was it so much easier over there? No way. What? Here's the deal. For me to move on to pavement, I have to land 3 in a row on grass. All right, well, I'm done for now. See where I end up. That was the wrong transition. It's really hard to ride a skateboard while holding this, so I'm gonna stop holding it right now. Hey, that wasn't actually bad. Why do I feel like I'm like growing wings right now? What is this? I have one goal for today. Land 3 kickflips in a row. Let's do it. No. I was kind of close. Break time.
I'm going to tell you one of the absolute secrets. This is just between you and I. Put your front foot there and drag it. This is how you're going to learn it fast. It's all muscle memory.
It's been a long enough break. I can't see anything. Time to do a kickflip. We got this. I got this. Hop, flick, then. Come on. No way, no way. That was probably the best kickflip I've done on grass. One more, and we're moving to pavement. 3rd kickflip, that's all I gotta do. Come on, just one more. I'm so nervous. Come on. Oh, I got it. No! Maybe I should just fake this. Maybe I should just cut to me landing 3 kickflips in a row. That'd be cool. Yeah, honestly, so the camera just fell over. Wow, okay, cool.
Not only did the camera fall over, but I have some bad news. Actually, well, it's kind of good news. Depends on how you look at it. It's kind of bad news for doing a kickflip because I'm camping. That's the mountains. It's bad news because I can't really practice a kickflip right now, but I kind of found a way around it. Let me show you. Do you see that? I just did a kickflip. Can you even see me right now? I will see you in a few days when I'm done camping. Yo, it's been a few days. I have a plan for doing a kickflip on concrete though. I'm kind of just ditching grass because I'm impatient, but it's been a few days since I've been filming, been kind of busy, but I do have a plan. So I messaged my skater friend. Well, I was watching the skate videos. I was like, the difference between me and them, they wear skater drip. Am I wearing skater drip? No, I'm not. I'm basically meeting up with my skater friend and we're gonna buy skater drip and then we're gonna go skating. Only problem is I don't see him here. So okay, new update. I was just getting out and I saw him walking into the store. So I'm gonna like surprise him or something. I don't know. I'm gonna like stalk him. I see him. I literally see him right now. I see him right now. Callum. Bro, that's huge. That is so baggy, bro. I brought a shoelace.
That might work.
So then I'll just wrap it around. Bro, these are huge.
These are relaxed fit. You want like the baggy ones. Because like these are the same waist size, but these are like way skinny. Just go for these.
Those? Do you see me, dude?
The baggier your jeans are, the better you are at skating.
Really?
Yeah.
Right now my jeans are really tight. Bro, all of these look the same.
Yeah, they're jeans.
You know what? Should I just try these on?
You'll need a baggy shirt though.
Literally, what you tell me to buy, I will buy. I'll try them on. Bro, what?
They're a bit skinny, but...
Skinny? $21? Better be worth it. This is Luke 1.0. This is Luke 2.0. Let's go skating.
Hey, blow up. I don't even understand how to my blow.
even know anymore. My mood at the start of the video, I was so excited to do this. I don't know, I thought it'd be a lot easier. Now I'm just like, is this even possible with my skating experience? I'm here at this bench. I'm gonna hold on to it and try to do one on concrete. If I can just, it's really hot outside. If I can just land a kickflip while holding onto this pole, that would honestly like mean the world to me. I'm being really dramatic right now. All right, it's day, I still don't know, honestly. The goal is still the same, do a kickflip. I'll move the camera, because if I'm gonna land a kickflip, it's gotta be a good angle. And I'm about to land one, so perfect. I'm pretty frustrated at my lack of skating ability. I don't know. I felt like I was doing good and now I'm just getting worse. I'm starting to think this is impossible because of my lack of experience. I don't know if this is possible anymore. I really thought I could do it. I'll try a little bit more and then I'm gonna call it a day. I think if I don't land one in the next 2 days, I'm gonna keep skateboarding because I think it's fun, but right now I feel like I'm just taking the fun out of skateboarding by trying a trick that's out of my skill level and it's making me kind of hate skateboarding. I don't want to post a video without doing a kickflip, but I might end up doing that. I'm gonna try a few more times. Blood has been spilled today. I'm calling it a day. Houston, we have a problem. Let me explain. First off, I have 3.5 hours of footage. It's gonna take me forever to edit. Second, I'm going camping next week. Again, this is my last day to try to kickflip for a week. Third, my skateboard is falling apart and so are my shoes. I'm running out of time. If I don't land a kickflip today, it's kind of bad news. I really need to land a kickflip today. Let's do it. I ended up switching locations. Some people wanted to play basketball. Now it's actually time to kickflip. I'm about to land a kickflip. This is my last day ever because I'm about to land one. Let's get it. Hopefully. Yeah. Did my toe touch? I need to watch that back. Did I land one or did my toe touch? No way. No way. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And to that random guy who told me to do a kickflip, I wish you could see me now.